Welcome to day 29 of your English Shadowing Challenge. Today, we're learning useful phrases for the electronics store, perfect for buying phones, laptops, headphones, or any gadgets. Shadow with me in 3 paces and improve your speaking confidence. I'm looking for a new phone. I'm looking for a new phone. I'm looking for a new phone. Do you have this model in stock? Do you have this model in stock? Do you have this model in stock? Can you show me the latest version? Can you show me the latest version? Can you show me the latest version? What's the difference between these two? What's the difference between these two? What's the difference between these two? Does it come with a warranty? Does it come with a warranty? Does it come with a warranty?
How long is the battery life? How long is the battery life? How long is the battery life? Can I try it out? Can I try it out? Can I try it out? Do you have this in another color? Do you have this in another color? Do you have this in another color? Is there any discount available? Is there any discount available? Is there any discount available? Can you recommend something better? Can you recommend something better? Can you recommend something better? Does it support fast charging? Does it support fast charging? Does it support fast charging? How much storage does it have? How much storage does it have? How much storage does it have? Is this the best price you can offer? Is this the best price you can offer? Is this the best price you can offer? Do you have any bundle deals? Do you have any bundle deals? Do you have any bundle deals? Can I return it if there's a problem? Can I return it if there's a problem? Can I return it if there's a problem?
Does it come with accessories? Does it come with accessories? Does it come with accessories? Can you help me compare these options? Can you help me compare these options? Can you help me compare these options? I'll take this one. I'll take this one. I'll take this one. Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help.
Great work completing day 29 of your shadowing challenge. Keep practicing these electronic store phrases until they feel natural. Join me again for day 30, where we take your English to the next level. Like, subscribe, and keep shadowing every day.